Qinghai Tourist Attractions. Qinghai, located in northwest China, is a beautiful province known for its rich cultural heritage and natural wonders. It offers visitors a range of exciting tourist attractions. Here are some must-visit places in Qinghai. 1. Qinghai Lake. This is the largest saltwater lake in China, and it is surrounded by picturesque landscapes. Bird Island, a breeding ground for various bird species, is a popular attraction within the lake. 2. Tara Monastery. Kumbum Monastery, a significant Tibetan Buddhist monastery, the Tara Monastery is renowned for its exquisite murals, statues, and ancient architecture. It was built to honor Tsongkhapa, the founder of the Gelug sect of Tibetan Buddhism. 3. Shaka Salt Lake. Known as the Mirror of the Sky, this salt lake is a must-visit destination in Qinghai. The lake's surface reflects the sky, creating a stunning visual effect. 4. Tongren, Rebkong. This town is famous for its Tibetan Buddhist monasteries, such as Rongwa Monastery and Longwu Monastery. Tongren is also known for its traditional Tibetan Thangka paintings. 5. Galmud. This city serves as a gateway to the stunning Kaidam Basin, which boasts unique landscapes such as the Yardon landforms and colorful Danxia landforms. 6. Kanbula National Forest Park. This park offers breathtaking views of the Yellow River, unique Danxia landforms, and a range of plant and animal species. It is a great place for hiking and photography. 7. Yushu Tibetan Autonomous Prefecture. Rich in Tibetan culture, Yushu is home to several important monasteries, such as the Jiegu Monastery and the Princess Wencheng Temple. The annual Yushu Horse Racing Festival is a significant event that showcases local culture. 8. Hozil Nature Reserve. Known for its remote, unspoiled landscapes, Hozil is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is home to diverse wildlife, such as the endangered Tibetan antelope, wild yaks, and wild donkeys. These attractions offer a glimpse into Qinghai's natural beauty and cultural richness, making it a unique and memorable destination for travelers. Qinghai History. Qinghai, a province located in northwest China, has a long and fascinating history that can be traced back thousands of years. The region has been inhabited since prehistoric times, and its history is deeply intertwined with the broader historical narratives of China and Central Asia. 1. Prehistoric era. Archaeological findings suggest that Qinghai was inhabited as early as the Neolithic period. The region was home to various prehistoric cultures, such as the Qijia, Xindian, and Kea cultures. 2. Ancient dynasties. During the early Chinese dynasties, Qinghai was a frontier region where various ethnic groups, including the Chang, Rong, and Di peoples, lived. The region was incorporated into the Chinese Empire under the Han Dynasty, 206 BCE, 220 CE, which expanded its influence and control over the Western territories. 3. Tang Dynasty, 618 to 907. The Tang Dynasty saw the development of the Silk Road, a vital trade route connecting China with Central Asia and Europe. Qinghai, located along the Silk Road, became an important area for trade, cultural exchange, and military activity. The Tang Empire expanded into the region and established military outposts and garrisons. 4. The Tibetan Empire and local kingdoms. During the 7th to 9th centuries, Qinghai was contested between the Tang Dynasty and the Tibetan Empire. After the decline of the Tang Dynasty, the region fell under the control of local kingdoms, such as the Giyi Circuit and the Xining Huihu regime. 5. Mongol Empire and Yuan Dynasty, 13th to 14th centuries. The Mongol Empire, founded by Genghis Khan, conquered vast territories, including Qinghai. The region was incorporated into the Yuan Dynasty, which ruled over China from 1271 to 1368. 6. Ming Dynasty, 1368 to 1640. For the Ming Dynasty regained control over Qinghai and sought to solidify its rule by building fortifications, such as the Great Wall, and establishing military garrisons in the region. The Ming administration also promoted agricultural development and the settlement of Han Chinese in the area. 7. Qing Dynasty, 1644 to 1911. The Qing Dynasty, founded by the Manchus, took control of Qinghai and implemented a policy of indirect rule, allowing local chieftains to govern under the supervision of Qing officials. During the Qing Dynasty, the region witnessed significant population growth and the development of trade, agriculture, and handicraft industries. 8. Republic of China, 1912 to 1949. After the fall of the Qing Dynasty, Qinghai became a province of the Republic of China in 1928. The region experienced political instability during this period, as various warlords sought to control the area. 9. People's Republic of China, 1949. Present in 1949, the Chinese Communist Party established the People's Republic of China, and Qinghai was integrated into the new country. Since then, the region has experienced significant economic development, urbanization, and infrastructural improvements, as well as the implementation of policies to protect and promote the cultural heritage and traditions of the various ethnic groups living in the region. Qinghai's history is characterized by its diverse cultural influences, strategic importance, and the interaction between different ethnic groups. The region has been a melting pot of cultures and has played a vital role in the development of Chinese civilization. What ethnic groups are there in Qinghai? Qinghai Province, located in western China, is home to a diverse mix of ethnic groups. The major ethnic groups in Qinghai include 1. Han Chinese, the largest ethnic group in both Qinghai and China. The Han Chinese make up a significant portion of the province's population. 2. Tibetans, the Tibetan people form a sizable portion of Qinghai's population. Their presence is particularly strong in the southern and western parts of the province, where Tibetan Buddhism is a major cultural influence. 3. Hui, the Hui people are a predominantly Muslim ethnic group who reside throughout China. In Qinghai, they can be found in various areas, including the provincial capital, Xining. 4. Mongols, the Mongols have a long history in Qinghai, with some Mongolian tribes settling in the region over the centuries. Today, they form a smaller ethnic group in the province. 5. Sala, the Sala people, who are predominantly Muslim, have a unique culture that combines elements of both Turkic and Mongolic influences. They reside primarily in the Xuanhua Sala Autonomous County in Qinghai. 6. Tu, also known as the Hmonger, the Tu people are an ethnic minority with a culture that shares similarities with both Tibetan and Mongolian traditions. They can be found in the Huzhu Tu Autonomous County and Datong and Tu Autonomous County in Qinghai. These are the major ethnic groups in Qinghai, but other smaller groups may also be present in the province. It's important to note that the demographics of Qinghai can change over time, and the proportions of each ethnic group may shift accordingly. Food in Qinghai. Qinghai, a province located in the northwest of China, features a unique cuisine that is influenced by its high altitude and diverse ethnic groups, including Han, Tibetan, Hui, and Mongolian. The food in Qinghai is characterized by its simplicity, natural flavors, and nutritious ingredients. Here are some popular dishes and food items you may find in Qinghai. 1. Yak meat. Due to the high altitude and cold climate, yaks are a primary source of meat in Qinghai. Yak meat is lean, tender, and rich in protein. It is often served in various forms such as dried, boiled, or stir-fried. 2. Tsampa, a staple food in the Tibetan culture. Tsampa is made from roasted barley flour and is often mixed with yak butter tea or water to form a dough. It is easy to carry, making it an ideal food for the nomadic lifestyle in the region. 3. Butter tea, a traditional drink in the Tibetan culture. Butter tea is made from strong black tea, yak butter, and salt. It is a rich and creamy beverage that provides energy and warmth in the cold climate. For mutton dishes, mutton is another popular meat in Qinghai, and you may find dishes such as mutton soup, mutton hot pot, or mutton skewers. Mutton is often slow-cooked or boiled to tenderize the meat and enhance the flavors. 5. Qinghai-style noodles. Noodle dishes are popular in Qinghai, with many variations such as hand-pulled noodles, wheat noodles, and rice noodles. One popular local noodle dish is Niang Pai, a cold wheat noodle dish often served with vegetables, chili oil, and vinegar. 6. Hui cuisine. Due to the large Hui Muslim population in Qinghai, you will also find many halal food options, including delicious lamb dishes and various types of Muslim-style noodles. 7. Highland barley wine. A traditional Tibetan alcoholic beverage, Highland barley wine, also known as chang, is brewed from fermented barley. It has a unique taste and is often served during festivals and celebrations. 5. Qinghai-style noodles. Noodle dishes are popular in Qinghai, with many variations such as hand-pulled noodles, wheat noodles, and rice noodles. One popular local noodle dish is Niang Pai, a cold wheat noodle dish often served with vegetables, chili oil, and vinegar. 6. Hui cuisine. Due to the large Hui Muslim population in Qinghai, you will also find many halal food options, including delicious lamb dishes and various types of Muslim-style noodles. 7. Highland barley wine, a traditional Tibetan alcoholic beverage. Highland barley wine, also known as chang, is brewed from fermented barley. It has a unique taste and is often served during festivals and celebrations. While visiting Qinghai, be sure to try these local foods to truly experience the unique flavors and culinary traditions of the region. Hainan Tibetan Autonomous Prefecture, Hainan Zhangzhou Zizizu, is an autonomous prefecture in the Chinese province of Qinghai. It is located in the northeastern part of the province and covers an area of approximately 45,895 square kilometers. The prefecture has a predominantly Tibetan population, along with Han Chinese, Hui, and other ethnic groups. The main religions practiced in the area are Tibetan Buddhism and Islam. The region is known for its natural beauty, with grasslands, lakes, and mountains.